Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a video about how I get ready for my grad photo day. It is today at 5 p.m. Right now it's about 12 o'clock, so I need to start getting ready because I have to go with the bus. Unfortunately, have to wear a mask after making a full face of makeup. It's so unfortunate, but that's what life is right now. Anyways, I'm gonna show you step by step the makeup I'm gonna use to do my grad photo. It's gonna be more on the natural side. I decided to go with natural because that's what really resembles me. That's my favorite type of makeup look, except it's gonna be involving fake lashes. So I just really like the look of fake lashes. It adds a little extra. So yesterday I applied fake tan because I like to look a little bit more tan on my photos. I tend to be really pale, and so I used the Bondi Sands liquid gold. This is amazing. I don't know if you can see, but it's on my face. It might look a little bit patchy, but it's okay because with makeup we'll fix every patchiness. You can use this on your body. I'll definitely film a video. I've been wanting to film a video fake tanning routine for this YouTube channel for a while, so if you guys are interested, I'll do like a before and after and show you guys how well this thing works. And you don't even need to wash this off. It's literally just gonna apply it on your mitt and you're done. I'm not gonna get into it. I'm gonna actually continue on with the video. So basically I applied this fake tan using a mitt. I just put it all over my face and then I slept in this and then let it develop overnight. And now here we are. I washed my hair. Make sure you go take your photo with washed hair and not greasy. Before I start applying makeup, always moisturize. So I'm using the, I believe, the True Cream Aqua Balm. This cream is really good. I'm almost out of it. I'm just gonna put this everywhere on my face. You also want to put on your lip balm before, so by the time you get to lips, it's nice and moisturized. So we're gonna start with eyebrows. Yesterday I plugged them very nicely. Now I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit. Unfortunately, my favorite eyebrow pencil is out, but we gotta work with what we gotta work with. So I'm just gonna slightly fill in my brows. Next, now that we are done with filling our eyebrows in, I'm gonna move on and carve out my brows with my favorite concealer under my brow bone, and that is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. So I really like using this to carve out my brows because it's not cakey. You can barely see that something is there, but it does the job. Like, it has coverage. I'm actually pretty much out of it, so hopefully I can scrape out some. And I'm using a really flat brush, just like how you would see me do it in other videos. Now that we carved in our brows or carved out our brows, I'm going to move on to my eyes. As I said, I'm making it really natural makeup look, so I'm not really doing any eyeshadow, maybe just one simple, very nude color. But before that, you always want to prime your eyelids. I'm going to go in with a different concealer. This is L'Oreal Fit Me Concealer in number 15, Light Layer. I'm just gonna pack it all over my lid. And we're gonna blend. I'm just gonna use my finger. It works perfectly. Just to cover up all the veins in our eyes pretty much and make it a nice and smooth canvas. And I'm going to set it with a powder. So I'm gonna just set it with Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. It smells really good, it smells like mint. And setting your eyelid will prevent creasing of the eyeshadow or the concealer. And for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35O palette using this really light nude shade with a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just gonna pack it all over my eyelid. Next, we're gonna apply some fake lashes, but first we're gonna curl them and apply a little bit of mascara. And for today's lashes that I feel like are gonna make the look are the Ardell Folks Mink Wispies. They are so beautiful, guys. I'm gonna show it to you. I have another pair that I opened it up. Oh my goodness, they are just so beautiful. It's so fluffy. Ah, and they look so natural. Even though it's really long, they look really natural. Anyways, when I'm gonna put it on, I know I'm gonna look a little bit crazy, like huge eyes, but that's fine. That's fine with me. So, I'll talk to you once I applied them. Okay guys, eyelashes are on. We're gonna move on to the full face. So instead of foundation, I'm gonna use the BB Fresh Maybelline BB cream. I just love this stuff so much. Just gonna put it everywhere. I'm gonna just use a heavier coat than usual because I want a little bit more fuller coverage. There we go, and I'm going to work it out with a brush. Where this BB cream makes my skin look so flawless. I don't know if you can see, but it's still drying down, that's why it's dewy, but I would say it's more on the dewy side. It just evens out my skin tone beautifully. It adds me a little bit of coverage and just beautiful. I don't feel the need for any foundation. Okay, now it's time to move on and add some concealer. I will be using the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline for my face. I will apply it under my eyes, of course. Cover those dark circles, guys. a little bit on my chin and right here. I also want to highlight a little bit more under my eyes, so I will go in with a lighter color, the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in medium peach. I did a review on this concealer if you want to check it out. It's a good one. It's just a little bit too dry for my liking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer with, again, the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. I'm just gonna go over the areas where I applied concealer and gonna go over my smile line, because when I tend to smile and I'm wearing full face of makeup, it likes to crease. Next, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. And you can see which shade I use the most. I'm going to go in with the middle shade. Oh my god, guys, I just noticed that my camera was not filming. I don't know for how long it was not filming. I'm so sorry. It happens all the time, I swear. But this is how the finished look, like this is how the look turned out. I just added a lipstick. I used the KKW Beauty lip liner and lipstick in nude 2 in both. And I also used the NYX lingerie liquid lipstick in what color? Sorry, in Cashmere Silk. So hopefully that's where it got cut off. If not, I will list everything in the comments for products. So next I'm just going to straighten my hair, and that's all I'm really doing for my hair. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll show you guys my finished results. Hi guys, welcome back. This is the finished result. I'm wearing something more serious because they're gonna do pictures with the gown and, you know, all the professional ones, and they're also gonna take one without the gown, but still something professional that you can put on your resume. So I decided to wear a blazer with some white tank underneath and hope this will suffice. Honestly, I'm a little bit nervous because usually these photos never turn out good. Let's just hope for the best, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow my Instagram and please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for getting ready with me.